Hey there, my name is Taryn and this is conjuredcraft. This episode is one of two very special episodes in celebration of Pride Month. I wanted to participate in Fabulous Marines after all of the different models that I saw painted up last year. The only issue I have is that I just don't like Space Marines at all. Luckily, the event isn't actually limited to just Space Marines. It's open to all different kinds of models and different hobbies. It's really just about welcoming people into the space and letting everyone know that they have a place here. With free license to go forward and make something cool, I decided to make some creatures that I've had in my sketchbook for some time. First, picking up a couple of minis from my local game shop to use as the base. My idea is to make these mushroom-like creatures I've been calling the Nim. I know most people tend to stay away from these scarier themes for Fabulous Marines, but I love to make monsters, so they will be a little cute and a little scary. I performed a quick head swap using some green stuff skulls. I actually molded these in a previous video, and I'm so happy I did. I've just got unlimited skulls now. Then using some epoxy sculpt, I made some more permanent mushroom caps to sit on the new bony heads. A little bit of water on my brush will smooth them out and get rid of any fingerprints on the clay, and once they were primed, I could start painting them up. If I had more time, I would have liked to make at least one more of these, but I could only find the two doppelgangers in time for the video. So I'm going to be painting one of them with the trans pride flag and the other with the non-binary flag. These are both communities that I'm a part of, and these colors are important to me. As part of this event, we're raising money for the Trevor Project, the world's largest suicide prevention and crisis intervention organization for rainbow youth. They provide not only support, but also a community for young people and education, which I think is not only really cool, but I'm really happy to know this exists now. Speaking from my own experiences, it's already hard enough being a teenager. And when you're navigating your gender and your sexuality and a bunch of other things, it only gets more complicated. So I just want to do my own small part in helping where I can, and if you would like to donate as well, that would be awesome. Once I had my spooky pride mushrooms painted up, I could attach them to the provided bases and make my go-to standard basing medium, which is baking soda, a bit of watered down black paint, and some good old PVA. You can make this more of a slurry. You can also make it a bit clumpier depending on what you're going for, but I use a brush to texture it, and that usually gets me a pretty good result. It also can take a while to dry if you add too much water, so I put mine in the oven with just the fan on, and they were finished in about 30 minutes. From there, the bases get a really simple paint job and just a small grass tuft, as the focus is of course on the glorious pride colors above. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. If you can support, if you can donate something this month, the Trevor Project is a great organization, but there's plenty more just like it, all doing really great work to help rainbow youth. Remember, next week I'll be doing another fun Pride-themed episode, so consider subscribing if you'd like to hang out for that. But otherwise, just be kind to each other, and I'll see you very soon.